facial movements. Hi everyone, welcome to You English. In this video, we are going to learn some useful verbs to talk about facial expressions. Here we go. Smile. Smile means to make a happy or friendly expression in which the corners of your mouth curve up. Smile artinya tersenyum. Contohnya, when he smiled at me, I knew everything was alright. Saat dia tersenyum padaku, aku tahu bahwa semuanya baik-baik saja. Tidak ada yang salah. Smile, tersenyum. Biasanya dengan ujung bibir ditarik ke atas. Smile, tersenyum. Grin. Grin means smile broadly, especially in an unrestrained manner and with the mouth open. Tersenyum lebar, dengan mulut yang terbuka dan biasanya giginya kelihatan. What are you grinning about? Kamu kok tersenyum lebar sekali? Ada apa? Grin. Tersenyum tanpa ditahan-tahan. Tersenyum lebar. Grin. Tersenyum lebar. Next, beam. Beam means to smile with obvious pleasure. Tersenyum berseri-seri karena senang hati. She beamed with delight at his remarks. Karena komentarnya, dia tersenyum berseri-seri. The student beamed at his teacher as he received the award. Murid itu tersenyum berseri-seri kepada gurunya saat dia menerima penghargaan. Beam, tersenyum berseri-seri. Sneer. Sneer means to smile, laugh, or speak with an expression on your face that shows dislike and lack of respect or mocking manner. Tersenyum mencemooh atau saat kita memandang orang lain dengan pandangan yang mencemooh atau merendahkan. She'll probably sneer at my new shoes because they are not expensive. Mungkin saja dia akan mencemooh sepatuku karena tidak mahal. Sneer. Selanjutnya, smirk. If you smirk, you smile in an unpleasant, smug, offensive, or condescending way. Tersenyum merendahkan atau tersenyum karena merasa puas pada diri sendiri. I don't like the way he sneers and smirks at me whenever he sees me. Aku tidak suka sekali caranya dia tersenyum. Tidak mengenakan hati sekali. Smirk, tersenyum merendahkan. Smirk. Up next, grimace. If you grimace, you twist your face in an ugly way because you are annoyed, disgusted, or in pain. Meringis atau menyeringai karena sakit atau karena perasaan tidak enak hati yang lain. She started to sit up, grimaced, and sank back weakly against the pillow. Saat dia mau duduk, dia meringis kesakitan. Grimace. Grimace. Wince. Wince means to tighten the muscles of the face briefly and suddenly in a show of pain, worry, or embarrassment. Mengernyit juga. Every time he put any weight on his left leg, he winced in pain. Saat dia melangkah dengan kaki kirinya, dia mengernyit kesakitan. Wince. Mengernyit. Wince. Flinch, hampir sama dengan wince, to move your face or body away from someone or something because you are in pain, frightened, or upset. Tersentak mundur. He didn't even flinch when the nurse cleaned his wound. Dia sama sekali tidak mengernyit atau tersentak mundur saat perawat itu membersihkan lukanya. Flinch, mengernyit sambil tersentak mundur. Flinch. Pout. Pout means to push the lower lip forward to show that you are annoyed or angry. Mencepik atau mencibir. He whines and pouts when he doesn't get what he wants. Biasanya dia mencepik atau rewel saat dia tidak mendapatkan yang dia inginkan. Pout, mencipik atau mencibir. Bahasa Jawanya mencucu. Pout. Pout yang kedua artinya memonyongkan bibir. To push both lips forward in a sexually attractive way. Contohnya, Caroline usually pouts her lips when she's putting on lipsticks. Biasanya Caroline selalu memonyongkan bibirnya saat dia memakai lipstick. Pout, memonyongkan bibir. Pout. Pucker one's lips means to squeeze one's lips together in the way people do when they are going to kiss someone. Memonyongkan bibir saat mau mencium seseorang. She puckered her lips and gave her niece a kiss. Dia memonyongkan bibirnya dan mencium keponakannya. Pucker one's lips, memonyongkan bibir. Pucker lips. Up next, purse one's lips means to bring your lips tightly together so that they form a rounded shape, usually as an expression of disapproval or anger. Mengerutkan bibir dan menariknya masuk, biasanya karena marah. I don't approve of that kind of language, she said, pursing her lips. Aku tidak suka sekali cara bicaranya. Purse lips. Blow a kiss. If you blow someone a kiss, you touch the palm of your hand lightly with your lips and then blow across your hand towards the person in order to show them your affection. Memberi ciuman jarak jauh. She blew me a kiss and waved goodbye. Dia memberiku ciuman jarak jauh dan melambaikan tangannya untuk mengucapkan selamat tinggal. Blow a kiss. Memberi ciuman jarak jauh karena kita suka sama orang tersebut. Blow a kiss. Stick out one's tongue means to protrude one's tongue out of one's mouth, often done in a childishly, mocking, contemptuous, or defiant manner. Menjulurkan lidah. She just stuck out her tongue when I told her to stop watching TV. Dia hanya menjulurkan lidahnya saat kusuruh mematikan TV. Biasanya karena tidak mau. Stick out tongue. Blink. When you blink, you close and then open your eyes quickly once or several times. Berkedip-kedip. He stared at us without blinking. Dia terus saja memandang kita tanpa berkedip sama sekali. Stare adalah melihat secara terus-menerus. Terus saja melihat tanpa berkedip. Stare. Blink, mengedipkan mata. Blink. Wink. Wink means to look towards someone and close one eye very briefly, usually as a signal that something is a joke or a secret. Mengedipkan sebelah mata. For a second, I thought he was being serious, but then he winked at me. Sesaat kukira kalau dia serius, tapi ternyata dia mengedipkan matanya. Berarti dia tadi cuma bercanda. Wink. Mengedipkan sebelah mata. Selanjutnya, bat one's eyelashes. If a woman bats her eyelashes, she opens and closes them several times quickly in order to look attractive to men and to flirt with them. Mengedip-ngedipkan mata karena menggoda. She kept batting her eyelashes at him each time he talked to her, so he asked her out on a date. Karena dia menyangka kalau dia menggodanya, makanya diajak ngedate. Bat eyelashes. Up next, squint. Squint means to look at someone or something with one or both eyes partly closed in an attempt to see more clearly or as a reaction to strong light. Menyipitkan mata karena silau atau untuk melihat lebih jelas. The sun was shining straight in her eyes and made her squint. Karena terkena sinar matahari, dia jadi menyipitkan mata. Karena silau. Squint eyes. Nah, ini untuk melihat supaya lebih jelas. Squint yang kedua artinya bermata juling. If a person or an eye squints, the eye looks in a different direction to the other eye because of a weakness of the eye muscles. Bermata juling. The children squinted so as to scare each other. Anak-anak itu saling menjulingkan matanya untuk menakuti satu sama lain. Bermain-main dengan menjulingkan mata. A squint eye. Up next, glare. Glare means to look directly and continuously at someone or something in an angry way. Melotot atau menatap tajam. She glared angrily at everyone and stormed out of the room. Dia menatap tajam pada semua orang dan melangkah keluar ruangan karena marah. Glare, melotot atau menatap tajam. Glare. Glower, hampir sama dengan glare, to look or stare with sullen annoyance or anger. Menatap tajam juga karena marah. The librarian glowered at the noisy teenagers in the library. Petugas perpustakaan itu menatap tajam kepada anak-anak yang membuat keributan di perpustakaan. Glower. Menatap tajam. Glower. Selanjutnya, roll one's eyes. If you roll your eyes, you move your eyes upwards as a way of showing that you are annoyed or bored after someone has done or said something. Melotot ke atas, melihat ke atas sambil melotot. I just rolled my eyes as he told another one of his corny jokes. Saat dia membuat lelucon yang basi, aku hanya melotot ke atas. Roll eyes. Selanjutnya, glance sideways. To look towards one side by moving your eyes only without moving your head much. Melirik. Jadi kepala kita tidak menoleh. Tom and Jimmy glanced sideways at each other momentarily, lost for words and burst out laughing. Mereka hanya saling melirik, lalu tertawa terbahak-bahak. Glance sideways. Melirik. Wrinkle one's nose. To lighten the muscles in your face so that the skin falls to show surprise, uncertainty, or disgust at something. Mengernyitkan atau mengerutkan hidung. Oh, yuck! 7-year-old Pamela says, wrinkling her nose as she wipes gooey paste from her fingers onto her sweatpants. Ih, jijik sekali. Wrinkle nose. Selanjutnya, make a face. Make a face means to move your mouth, nose, and eyes in strange ways to show emotion or make people laugh. Menyeringai atau mencepikkan muka. The girl made a face at the taste of the medicine. Saat minum obat, dia mencepikkan muka, mungkin karena tidak suka rasanya. The boy made his baby sister laugh by making a face at her. Anak laki-laki itu menggoda adiknya supaya tertawa dengan menyepikkan mukanya. Make a face. Next, gurn. Gurn means to contort the face or to deliberately pull it into a silly or unpleasant shape. Menjelek-jelekkan wajah. They gurned and then pulled strange faces and took selfies. Mereka menjelek-jelekkan wajahnya lalu mengambil foto. Gurn. Menjelek-jelekkan wajah supaya wajahnya terlihat aneh. Gurn. Gurn. Selanjutnya, blush. Blush means to show shyness, embarrassment, or shame by becoming red in the face. Malu. Tersipu malu sehingga wajah atau pipinya memerah. She blushed at the unexpected compliment. Karena dipuji, dia jadi tersipu malu sehingga wajah atau pipinya memerah. Blush. Karena malu, pipinya jadi memerah. Makanya kita punya blush on untuk memerahkan pipi. Raise one's eyebrows means to raise your eyebrows or an eyebrow to show surprise, disbelief, or mild disapproval. Mengangkat alis bisa keduanya atau satu saja, karena kita tidak setuju dengan yang dilakukan oleh orang lain. People raise their eyebrows when he arrived at the wedding in jeans. Saat dia datang di pesta pernikahan dengan mengenakan jeans, orang-orang mengangkat alisnya. Raise an eyebrow. Selanjutnya, knit one's brows means to frown or to furrow the eyebrows together in a way that shows that one is thinking about something, worried or angry. Mengerutkan alis. The teacher knit his brow and looked sternly at the student for making noise in the class. Karena murid-murid sangat ramai, Pak Guru mengerutkan alisnya, memandang mereka dengan tajam. Knit eyebrows. Selanjutnya, wiggle one's eyebrows means to lift eyebrows up and down simultaneously and quite rapidly. It is usually a gesture of sexuality. Mengangkat-angkat alis biasanya untuk menggoda. Alisnya diangkat dan diturunkan dengan cepat. Roger wiggled his eyebrows suggestively at her. Kita bisa menggunakan kata wiggled atau wiggle. Artinya sama. Wiggle eyebrows. Selanjutnya, frown. Frown means to make a facial expression indicating thought or displeasure, as by wrinkling the brow and drawing down the corners of the mouth. Merengut atau cemberut, ujung bibir ditarik ke bawah, kebalikan dari tersenyum. What are you frowning about now? What have I done? Kamu kok cemberut lagi? Apa yang kulakukan? Kenapa lagi? Frown. Selanjutnya, scowl, hampir sama. To look at someone or something with a very annoyed or angry expression. Memberengut juga. When I asked the boss for a day off, he just scowled and told me to get back to work. Saat ditanya soal hari libur, dia malah memberengut, tidak mengatakan apa-apa dan menyuruhku kembali ke tempat kerja. Scowl. Memberengut. Scowl. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.